Do you need to get more protein in your diet, but you are sick and tired of eating chicken, beef, fish, tofu? Well, I'm here to show you a recipe that will sneak in some extra protein and you won't even know. Let's get cooking.
Add your water into your blender. Now pour in your cream of choice. Today I'm using coconut cream, but you can use whatever you like. Add in those chia seeds.
Chia. I love that commercial.
Followed by whatever protein powder you use. Your cocoa powder.
I love the smell of cocoa powder. Oh, jeez. I just sniffed it up my nose.
Your monk fruit sweetener. And a little pinch of salt. Now blend it all together for about 30 seconds or until it is nice and smooth. You don't want any of those clumpy little chia seeds in there, do ya? Now, if you're impatient, like me, you can take your spoon, dip it straight into the blender and eat it as it is. Or, if you're willing to wait, you can throw it into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until it is cooled completely, and I promise you will have a perfect protein pudding flavor profile. Try saying that 10 times fast. If you want to get a little fancy with it, you can crush up some chocolate chips and sprinkle those on top. Or you can even use cacao nibs if you want a little crunch.
And there you have a protein pudding that will help get that protein into your diet without having to chew on another piece of meat. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see videos just like this one, and have a very nice day. Bye.